Hi guys, my name is Izuri. So what is the type of merger used by Disney and Pixar? The merger used was a vertical merger. Disney and Pixar have merged on May 5, 2006, and Disney acquired shares worth 7.4 billion in Pixar and has made it Disney's subsidiary. Vertical merger is a union between two companies in the same industries but at different stages of the production process. In other words, a combination of two or more companies that involve in different stages of supply chain in production of goods and services. As example, Company A is a car manufacturer. Company B is a supplier of parts for Company A. So, Company A and B decided to merge to improve operational efficiency. Through merging, Company AB now can buy supplies at low cost and increase profit margin.